Hello, it's Nick. Today I will show you how to create animated hollow text. Let's type a text. Run. Change the typeface to Jockey 1. This sans serif font is great for slogans. Change the font size to 48 and letter spacing to 5%. Let's also make the text uppercase. Go to Settings and click Uppercase. Remove the fill color by clicking minus icon and add a stroke. Leave default stroke settings. Now you can use this hollow text on different backgrounds. For example, here you can see the text is placed on top of the image. Let's frame a text element and create a copy of this frame. Select the first character in the copy and change its fill color to pure black. Create a copy of the second frame. Select the second character and change its fill color to black. Create a copy of the third frame. Select the last character and change its fill color to black. Select all frames and click Distribute Horizontal Spacing to get equal spacing between them. And create a component set. Name the component Hollow Text. Let's change the black color to red. This can be done in one click by changing the selection color. Switch to the prototype mode. Create a transition between the first and second variants. Transition will be triggered after a delay of 800 milliseconds, and it will be instant transition. Create a transition between the second and third variants. All properties will be the same. Create a transition between the third and the fourth variants. Again, same properties. And create a transition between the fourth and first variant to get a full loop. Now it's time to test our design. Create a test frame, navigate to the Assets tab, drag and drop the hollow text to the test frame. Select Test Frame and click Preview. Looks good! Let me know what you think about using hollow text in design.